Hey guys, Spencer at PRL Motorsports. Today we have the high volume intake system for the 11th generation Honda Civic, 5th generation Acura Integra 1.5 liter turbo. This intake system features a massive thermoplastic air box to reduce heat soak, the ability to add a lower air inlet, high volume inlet duct for maximum airflow, precision profiled mass airflow housing for optimal fuel trims and engine safety, which means no tune required, step silicone to reduce turbulence, 4-inch oiled cone filter, and all hardware necessary for a seamless install. Factory-like fitment with aftermarket performance. Let's go see what this looks like on a car.